Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be germinating sunflower seeds. So like my other videos, I'm going to start off with a sheet of paper towel. I'm going to moisten the paper towel with water, apply my seeds, and then I fold the paper towel over the seeds, and that keeps them moist. And then as a last step, you want to always cover your container so that the water does not evaporate. Now, I will be keeping you up to date on the germination process, and we'll see what happens in the upcoming weeks. So that's it. I do have other ones on the go for 2019, so you could check those out. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. And also, if you like baking and cooking, please check out my recipe channel, Bake Like a Pro. So that's youtube.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for now, and I'll catch you on the next one.